In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Namecheap domain so that you won't be billed again. To do this, just go and open up Namecheap, go to your account and then click Dashboard. And then from within your dashboard, just go to your domain list. Now from within your domain list, what you want to do then is just click on the drop down and go to Manage. And then here you need to make sure that you turn off Auto Renew. So often this will be on. Just make sure that for everything right here, Auto Renew is off. So if it's toggled on, it looks like this, just go and toggle it off. And you want to do that for everything. And also in the overview back here where you have your domain list, make sure that Auto Renew is toggled off, and then you will not be billed again. Now, if you then also want to fully delete it from your account, you need to actually contact them. So to do that, you can go to the help center right there. And then here, just scroll down and go to the live chat page. And then from here, you can then submit a support ticket requesting them to fully delete the domain from your account. So that's how to cancel a Namecheap domain. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.